Role of design in social responsibility, balancing style and purpose. In a world where aesthetics often take center stage, the intersection of design and social responsibility is becoming increasingly vital. At Mondoro, we believe that beautiful home decor can, and should, coexist with a commitment to social and environmental causes. Read on as we explore how design can be a powerful tool for positive change, emphasizing our core values of creating exceptional products while developing and manufacturing with a social conscience. Understanding the intersection of design and social responsibility. Design is not just about making things look good. It's about problem-solving and making choices that impact society and the environment. Consumers increasingly seek products that reflect their values as they become more conscious of purchasing decisions. This shift presents a unique opportunity for designers and brands to create items that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also socially responsible. The role of materials in socially responsible design. One of the most impactful ways to balance style with purpose is carefully selecting materials. The materials used in home decor can significantly influence a product's overall sustainability. Sourcing sustainable materials. Sustainable materials, such as reclaimed wood, organic textiles, and recycled metals, reduce environmental impact and add unique character to products. For example, reclaimed wood can showcase the beauty of imperfections and provide a story behind each piece, appealing to consumers who value individuality in their home decor. Innovative alternatives. Additionally, the emergence of innovative materials, such as bioplastics and sustainable composites, offers exciting opportunities for designers. These materials can reduce reliance on non-renewable resources while maintaining aesthetic appeal. By prioritizing such options, brands can create products that align with their commitment to sustainability. Local sourcing and economic impact. Sourcing materials locally can further enhance a brand's social responsibility. By supporting local economies, designers can create jobs and reduce transportation emissions. This approach contributes to environmental sustainability and fosters community and connection, craftsmanship, and fair labor practices. The ethical implications of design extend beyond materials to the processes involved in creating products. Craftsmanship plays a crucial role in this context, with a focus on fair labor practices, supporting artisans and local communities. At Mondoro, we emphasize the importance of supporting skilled artisans and local communities. By collaborating with artisans, we ensure high-quality craftsmanship, empower individuals, and preserve traditional techniques. This commitment fosters economic stability and cultural preservation, enriching the design process and the final product. Transparency in supply chains. Consumers are increasingly demanding transparency in supply chains. Brands openly sharing their manufacturing processes and labor practices build trust and loyalty. By prioritizing ethical practices and ensuring fair wages, Mondoro exemplifies how social responsibility can enhance brand reputation while contributing to a positive societal impact. Designing for longevity and functionality. Incorporating social responsibility into design also means creating products built to last. Fast fashion and disposable decor contribute significantly to waste and environmental degradation. To combat this trend, designers must focus on longevity and functionality. Timeless designs. Timeless design transcends trends, allowing consumers to invest in pieces that will remain relevant and functional over the years. By prioritizing classic aesthetics and durable materials, brands can encourage consumers to make thoughtful purchases rather than impulsive ones. Versatility and multifunctionality. Designing versatile and multifunctional products is another effective way to promote sustainability. Items that can serve multiple purposes reduce the need for excessive consumption, helping to minimize waste. If you want to learn more about us, contact us at sales@mondoro.com.